beach now. I'm not going to be filming much because I'm using an open face helmet, and I'll probably take the GoPro and throw that in the water. So you're welcome to join along for the day. We'll see how it goes. So here I am down at my peaceful local beach, just trying to get some sun in. It's like 30 something degrees, and the problem here is always these guys with the jet skis. I'll see today if the water police come along and quieten them down a bit. So if they do, I'll get that footage. For now, I think it's time to go for a swim, and I'm going to take my GoPro in the water and enjoy myself. Oh, that feels so good. So here is my day on the beach. I don't go down there where the pavilion would be, or the hotels and everything. It's too crowded. I like to keep nice, calm, peaceful, swim on my own. Bit of my own time, relaxing, chilling out, without a worry in the world before we return to work. I hope you enjoy my little excursion to the beach, guys. Now I just put my head underwater and I seen a fish, so I'm going to see if I can spot it again. Alrighty, so that's the end of our beach excursion. I've just come off the sand, put my footwear back on, ready to squid it back on the way home. Nice little area. I wish that was my car, but it's not. Instead, I'm going down to my bike. Guys, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, it's for free. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of anything. Let me know if you want me to share something. A little heads up about parking a motorcycle. I generally don't like to park it in the middle here. Normally I go right to the very end and I squeeze in behind that red car. That way I know there's only one option of anyone coming or going. So anyway, not necessarily motorcycle related, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you around next time, eh?